Welcome to our video today, where we'll be discussing a common issue that many of us have faced when working with numbers in various applications. Specifically, how to format decimal places using TO CHAR when dealing with whole numbers. If you've ever struggled with getting the desired output when converting integers to strings, then this video is for you. Formatting numbers can be a crucial aspect of data presentation, and understanding how to control the display of decimal places is essential. In this video, we'll delve into the specifics of using TO CHAR to format decimal places, especially when those numbers are whole and don't have any fractional part. By the end of this discussion, you should have a clear grasp on how to handle such scenarios effectively. So, let's dive right in. The primary function of TO CHAR is to convert data from its original format into a character string that can be more easily manipulated or displayed as needed. However, when it comes to formatting numbers, especially whole numbers without any decimal parts, using TO CHAR might not always yield the expected result. The key issue here is understanding how TO CHAR treats numbers that don't have fractional parts. By default, when you convert a whole number into a string using TO CHAR, it will simply display the number as is, without any trailing zeros or decimal point. This can sometimes lead to inconsistencies in your output, especially if you're working with a mix of whole numbers and decimals. One way to approach this issue is by specifying a format mask that tells TO CHAR exactly how many decimal places to display. One way to approach this issue is by specifying how many decimal places to display. However, when dealing with whole numbers, simply specifying a number of decimal places doesn't guarantee that those places will be displayed with zeros in the output string. A useful strategy here involves combining your use of TO CHAR with additional formatting instructions that ensure consistent output regardless of whether you're working with integers or decimal. By doing so, you can achieve uniformity across all your data, which is particularly important for reports, invoices, and other documents where presentation matters. For instance, imagine needing to display a list of prices, some of which are whole dollar amounts without cents, while others include fractional parts representing the cent. Without careful formatting, these numbers might appear inconsistent in your final output, potentially leading to confusion or misinterpretation by those viewing the data. Understanding TO CHAR's default behavior with whole numbers, recognize how CHAR converts whole numbers into strings without displaying any trailing zeros or decimal points. The importance of format masks for consistency. Learn to use format masks to specify exactly how many decimal places should be displayed, ensuring uniformity across all data. Combining TO CHAR with additional formatting, discover the value in using additional formatting instructions alongside TO CHAR to achieve consistent output for both whole numbers and decimal. That concludes our discussion on using TO CHAR to format decimal places when dealing with whole numbers. Remember, achieving consistency in your data presentation is key, especially when working with numerical values that can sometimes be represented differently depending on their fractional part. If you found this explanation helpful, please don't hesitate to like the video and subscribe for more content related to solving common issues in data, formatting, and manipulation. Additionally, if you have any questions or topics you'd like us to cover in future videos, feel free to ask them in the comments below. Your engagement helps us create more targeted and useful content for everyone. Thanks for watching.